The 10 new pence coin from 1980 holds both historical significance and monetary value, albeit modest. In terms of its history, the 10 new pence coin was first introduced in 1968 as part of a decimalization process in the United Kingdom, replacing the shilling in preparation for transitioning to a decimal currency system. The coin featured a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side, while the reverse side depicted a lion standing on a crown. During the 1980s, the 10 new pence coin was still in circulation, commonly used for everyday transactions. Its value, however, was relatively low, as it was equivalent to 1/10 of a pound sterling. The design remained largely unchanged throughout its circulation. In 1982, the denomination was rebranded as 10 pence following inflation, rendering the new pence designation obsolete. However, the design of the coin remained the same, with only the wording on the coin changing to reflect the new denomination. In terms of value, the 10 new pence coin from 1980 typically holds a numismatic value rather than a significant face value. Its worth depends on various factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. While circulated coins may only hold a nominal value, those in excellent condition or featuring rare minting errors can fetch higher prices in the collector's market. To determine the specific value of a 1980 10 new pence coin, collectors often reference numismatic catalogs, online marketplaces, or consult with professional coin appraisers. Factors such as mint mark, condition, graded on a scale from poor to mint state, and any unique characteristics play a crucial role in assessing its worth. Collectors may also consider the historical context and significance of the coin when determining its value. Coins minted in significant years or featuring notable design variations may command higher prices among collectors. In summary, while the 1980 10 new pence coin may not hold significant monetary value in everyday transactions, it possesses historical significance as part of the UK's decimalization process. Its worth as a collectible item depends on factors such as rarity, condition, and demand among numismatists, with values ranging from nominal to substantial for exceptional specimens. A 10 new pence coin from 1980 is part of the pre-decimalization currency system in the United Kingdom. These coins were made of cupronickel and featured a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II on the obverse side. The reverse side typically depicted a heraldic lion. In terms of its value today, it's essential to consider both its numismatic, collector's, value and its metallic composition. Let's delve into both aspects. 1. Numismatic value. The value of a coin often depends on its rarity, historical significance, condition, and demand among collectors. A 10 new pence coin from 1980 is not exceptionally rare, as many were minted. However, if the coin is in pristine condition or has some unique feature, it could be more valuable to collectors. To determine its specific numismatic value, one might consult coin catalogs, attend auctions, or reach out to coin collectors groups. 2. Metallic composition. The coin is made of cupronickel, which is an alloy of copper and nickel. Its melt value is determined by the current market prices of copper and nickel. However, the melt value is typically lower than the face value of the coin due to production costs and numismatic demand. 3. Current value. As of now, without knowing the specific condition of the coin or any unique attributes it might possess, it's challenging to give an exact value. Generally, circulated 10 new pence coins from 1980 might be worth close to their face value if sold to a coin dealer or exchanged at a bank. If the coin is in excellent condition or has some historical significance, its value could be higher, possibly ranging from a few pounds to tens or even hundreds of pounds. 4. Factors affecting value. Demand from collectors. If there's high demand for this particular coin among collectors, its value could increase. Condition. Coins in mint condition typically fetch higher prices than those that are worn or damaged. Rarity. Any unique features or limited production runs can significantly affect a coin's value. Historical context. Coins associated with significant historical events or periods may have higher value to collectors interested in that era. In conclusion, while a 10 new pence coin from 1980 might not be worth a significant amount in terms of its face value alone, its numismatic and historical value could make it more valuable to collectors. It's essential to consider all these factors when determining its worth.